Waiting for Stratford Hill and Kells Blues. They're in the gate. And they're off. Cocalero missed the break. Here's Gold is Good down on the inside. Lloyd Dobler right there up there running in second, followed closely by Graysonia, who's now third. On the far outside, it's Kells Blues fourth, and enclosure in between those two in fifth. Farther back, our stablemate Stratford Hill and Cocalero, who's off to a stutter step start. Down the backstretch run, and it is Gold is Good and Lloyd Dobler 1-2 as they head into the far turn. Graysonia on the fence and running in third, enclosures in between horses. Kells Blues still at the back of the pack. Stratford Hill and Cocalero. First quarter was 23 seconds flat. They're rounding the far turn. Gold is Good still holding off Lloyd Dobler, but just by a neck with 3 furlongs to go here. Graysonia at the fence in third, then Kells Blues is fourth. Enclosures right there in between those two, Stratford Hill and Cocalero. And now the field turns for home. Gold is Good still narrowly. Lloyd Dobler right there on the outside, enclosure trying to split those two, and Cocalero has just muscled his way through in between horses, and down on the inside, it's Graysonia. So it's Cocalero on the outside and Graysonia, followed by enclosure, and they're coming down to the finish. He was away slowly, but he finished fast. Cocalero, the winner. Enclosure second, Graysonia third.